Okay, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer Legend. Fits the 9906 Chevy and GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. It's indigo blue, dark blue in color. It is a little scratched up, but all in all, it's in pretty decent shape as far as no damage to the fiberglass. It does have scratches on the top there. You can see where the paint's faded on the top corner here. A little bit on the top up there in the center. Down through here, a couple nicks and scratches. You can see some scratches running along the edge here. Bottom edge has some nicks on it. Maybe some touch-up paint would take care of some of that. Some more nicks in there, you know, scratched down the side. Does have the half side sliders. I mean, from a distance, you don't really see all them scratches that much. The top center is pretty noticeable, but it's a good looking unit otherwise. Some nicks up here in the, right here on the top edge. A couple more up in here. You can see the top scratch is a little bit of a wear mark. Looks like it was rubbed against the brake light right there, and then right there. A little bit of a chip right there. Bottom edge looks nice. Does have the picture window in the front. Side's not quite as scratched as the other side, but still has paint peel on the top edge. You can see that. And then it does have some scratches, a little bit of a paint peel back there on the back edge. Bottom edge looks really nice. No damage on this edge. Small chip right there. Right there. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. Looks like it might have been laid on the side, on that side over there, leaned up against something on that side. Small chip right there, but half side sliders on the side. Double T-handle locking rear door. You can see the paint fade on the top edge of the back here as well. Yeah, I'd almost bet that was probably leaned up against something on this, laid this side down. Just kind of a little bit scratched up, and the scratches run lengthwise. Screens in the windows. Has a couple small holes in them. Right there. And there. Another one down there. Sliding window opens up there. On this side, you've got a small hole in the screen there. Really, that's about it. Oh, we got one small one right there in the center. Really, that's about it on that. It's a Leer. There's a serial number. There it is, a Leer Legend cab high fiberglass. Fits the 9906 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. Those can all be done from down there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.